Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, thank you for coming to this video. Let me introduce myself as a presenter. My name is Renardi Putra from Bogor Agricultural University. In this video, I will present the result of the paper entitled An Initiative for Food Security, Design of Mobile Crowdfunding Platform to Reduce Food Insecurity in Indonesia. The author of this paper are Mr. Auzi Asfarian and me, Renardi Purnama Putra, and Mr. Arga Putra Panatagama, and Mrs. Yani Nurhadryani, and last Mr. Apriana Ramadhan. Introduction. In Indonesia, the number of poor people is 28.01 million in 2016. In 2014 until 2016, a total of 20.3 million Indonesians went hungry. Indonesian government trying to solve this problem. Since 1979, this problem can be detected early using the food and nutrition alert system that has been implemented in Indonesia but not yet running because data collection and processing is still done manually. Therefore, previous research conducted by Panatagama in 2019 resulted in an application called Patriot Pangan. What is Patriot Pangan? Patriot Pangan is an application to early warning system for food insecurity based on local community participation. But this application is limited to reporting food insecurity. Further development is needed. Furthermore, the Patriot Pangan is divided into two. First, a participation, and second, an initiative. What is an initiative? An initiative is a crowdfunding-based mobile application that uses a food insecurity campaign to enable people to donate money and goods to food insecurity area. And why we choose crowdfunding-based for this app? To overcome the problem of food insecurity, active participation between the community, social organization, and the government is required. One method of direct involvement is crowdfunding. Crowdfunding is a process of collecting funds from the public in general to fund an idea, project, business, or charity. Now, example of crowdfunding app. First, Share the Meal. Share the Meal was created by the United Nations through the World Food Program. Second, Kita Bisa. Kita Bisa is popular crowdfunding in Indonesia. Next, research method. The research method used is the wheel method from Hudson and Pila 2012. This method consists of analysis, design, prototype, and evaluation. Result and discussion. Next, analysis process. In this analysis process consists of interview and competitive analysis. Next, key insight. Key insight from the result of interview is first, the interview results showed that respondents made donation more frequently online than directly. Second, in terms of payment methods, respondents want a variety of payment service which not limited to bank transfer. And last, the respondent also showed concern of the transparency, updates, and progress of their donation. Next, competitive analysis stage. In this stage, we must compare 5 other apps which has similar to our app, which is crowdfunding app. And then we compare the other app based on donation system and pros cons of the other app. So after we created competitive analysis, we can collect the data of the competitor and we choose the good data and apply to our app. And this is the result of competitive analysis. Okay. After the result of the interview, we can create user persona. What is user persona? User persona is representative primary user target of the application. In the user persona, content attributes consist of data and profile persona, user goals persona, frustration persona, and user story. And this is user persona of the initiative Patriot Pangan. Next, design process. In this process consists of sketch, user scenario, and wireframe. Next, sketch stage. Sketches are made based on application feature that existed in the previous process. We created a design sketch using pen and paper and select the best sketch. And this is an example of sketch. Next, wireframe stage. Based on the result of the sketch and scenario in the previous sketching stage, we create the wireframe. Wireframe is for simplifying implementation at the prototype process. A wireframe is made to describe the layout of content, the design of interaction on the screen, and the navigation structure of the system without the detail. And this is wireframe of an initiative. Now this is the prototype process. And this process, the prototype creating use Adobe XD application. In this prototype, the user is also possible to perform complex interaction like scrolling and tapping. This prototype was made to medium fidelity. Medium fidelity is a center between low and high fidelity. And this is the example of prototype of an initiative. Next, version process. In this process, we do test our app to user with usability testing using the retrospective think aloud method with 5 respondents and 15 tasks required to be tested in this app. The result of usability testing divided into two. First, in performance criteria, and second, in satisfaction criteria. In performance criteria, the result of the 75 tasks with a success rate of respondent to this prototype is 85.32%. And in satisfaction criteria, respondents felt unforgettable and confused about some feature such as the flow to create update campaign. Now this is improvement for this application. First, improvement for the second interaction are change in registration via email to via phone number. Second, naming under the icon in the menu bar on the homepage so that user know the names of the icon. And last, the feature to create the campaign is given a further explanation to make it easier for user. Now, this is the conclusion of the presentation. First, in the first iteration, the test result for performance obtained success tasks with a rate of 85.32%. Second, on the other hand, respondents still feel uncomfortable and confused in using prototypes. And last, the second iteration prototype is expected to be tested to see the response of the user to the prototype. Okay, this is the demo app for initiative Panatagama. After the onboarding page, you go to login page, and this is the login with Google page. First, you must tap this button or CTA, the name Google. Click or tap, and you can show the Google account, and you must choose one to enter this app. Besides login with Google, this app can login with one number. So first, you must tap this button or CTA. The name is Masuk. After that, the app can show you this screen, and you must choose the phone number ID country like Indonesian +62, and then enter your phone number. After that, you must click this button, and then the app can send your confirmation code to your phone, and you must fill into this screen and then click agree or setuju. Now this is the register page. If you don't have a Google account, you must create the account. First, you must click or tap this daftar button of the name daftar, and then you must fill in your data like your full name, email, and phone number. After that, you can tap this button, and same with login with phone number. You have this app can send you code or confirmation code, and you must have filled in and tap this button. Okay, this is our first page of this application. this is home page, this is my campaign page, this is my donation page, and this is profile page. And in home page, it contains a few of campaign. This is a button create of campaign button plus. This is a filter campaign and search campaign. And the campaign, my campaign page, and this is a list of campaign. In the my donation is have a list of donation, and profile page and have a statistic user, donation, transaction, previous account, edit profile, help, and post notification. Okay, after user choose the campaign, user can get into the detail campaign page. So this is the content of the detail campaign. This is a title. This is a created this campaign, progress of this campaign, what a goods need of this campaign, description of campaign, and this is the button or icon to share link. User can get share link to another app like WhatsApp, Line, BBM, Facebook, Twitter, and just another to copy link or more. And user to click this update, and this update can show this like this update campaign of this campaign. And user click this list donator, and the screen show the list of donated for this campaign. Now after the campaign, after user go to into the campaign and user want to donate the campaign, this is the donate money page. This is the screen of choose donation, and this is screen of detail donation. Like this is the nominal, choose the method payment, and then this is the example of payment method, and then you can write message, and this is optional, and user can get can donate as an anonymous and go through CTA lanjut pembayaran, and then user can get payment details like account phone number, rekening, or deadline transfer, or total donation, and payment instruction. And this is donate goods flow page. You can this is the screen of choose donation of goods, and then you can fill the address, your house, and then this is detail donation goods. You can choose physical, you can you fill your name, donate your name, your phone number, and you can fill in your goods to donate, and then you can, and this is the screen example, choose a physical. After that, this is the detail donation barang full, and this is the detail donation goods. This is just payment method, like this is example payment method, and then this is a detail of payment, and you choose you get through button pesan. After that, the officer of the initiative Panatagama goes to your house and take your goods. Okay, this is a create campaign flow page, and this is home page. And if you want to create the campaign, you can click this button and you can get the detail campaign like this. You must fill in from nama campaign until upload your photo, video, and then click the buat campaign button. That's it. You just create the campaign. So that's it. This is the last slide of paper presentation. Thank you for attention. Sorry if I as presenter much fault in delivery for this presentation. Thank you for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.